Rusty needs tires, and I think he may say something on the wheels, noise or something, or hair. And James needs a battery cover, stickers, wires, and tires. So we gotta stick to the note. Remember, this won't be a restoration, so we gotta fix the noise on this Rusty and put a new rubber wheels or tires. And he said that James needs a battery cover, stickers, wires, and tires. So let's begin with Rusty. So I think this will be an easy fix. What I'm going to do is I'm going to disassemble the entire gearbox and add some grease, and hopefully that will be good enough according to the note. In case of if you didn't know, a bunch of hair or carpet hair makes your model engine slow. Try to remove the hair from the wheels. Now, our friend here doesn't specify anything else than the tires and the hair in the wheels. But I'm gonna give it a little touch up here and here and back here. I hope that works and looks better for you. Alright, next engine. I think this one is gonna be a little bit harder. It's gonna take more time. James needs battery, tubs, stickers, and wires, tires. So here is the tender, needs stickers, and he doesn't say anything about this. I think it's impossible. You need a new one, and needs new tires and wires. Oh, look at this. Those are wobbling out of place. Wow, that's a heavy damage right there. Can you see that? Doesn't say anything about the eyebrows. So we're gonna do the game, do the same, stick to the plan, just do as it says on the note. Can you see this little hole over here? Friend used a long screw and it was a long one, so it damaged it. You can see a hole right there, but not a big deal. At least you try to fix it. So the wires are cut, and obviously we tried to tape it, but we are gonna try to do our best. We will put new wires. Let's see if the motor is working. So this will be 5 volts. Something is blocking the motor. I'm not sure if there is some grain of dirt, sand. Let's find out. I don't see any sign of stress or something that may be blocking the gears. So let's see. I'm gonna do another test. Okay. So the electric motor is working perfectly. So I guess it was some grain of dirt. Maybe a grain of dirt or something that was blocking. Maybe this one. And it feels like a sandy. Yes, sand. But actually is the grease when it's really old and it's mixed with water. I can see right here some rust. Might be in a situation where it was submerged in water and the grease turned into sand grains. So definitely gotta clean really good the gears. So I think I have found the problem. See that grain between the teeth, the gap right here? This grain of dirt was actually blocking the motor from turning. Can you see it's bent? The axle is bent from this point right in the middle. It's in kind of arch like this. Let's see if I can fix it. Much better. So we are done with James. We put a new battery cover. This is a copy. And we got the stickers and the wire and the tires, rubber tires. So we are done with this model engine. Alright guys, consider subscribing, giving a like, and leave a comment on my channel. Thanks for watching. Over and out.